If you want to import your transactions from Bitvavo to CoinTracking, there are actually two ways which are very easy. One is you do it directly in Bitvavo because CoinTracking is the official tax report partner of Bitvavo. You go to CoinTracking, go to the imports page, you will find it in the sidebar on the left side, and then look for Bitvavo. You click that, and then you simply go from connect automatically to upload a file. If you click that, then you simply drag in the file history, the full history from Bitvavo, and then you click continue to import. Within seconds, you will see the import side where you see all your transactions. I don't see any errors here, so everything looks correctly. You don't have to change any settings in here. What is recommended is the correct settings from CoinTracking, and then we click start import. Again, within seconds, we will have our Bitvavo import done, and now we can go in and proceed with importing other exchanges and wallets. As you see, it's fairly easy to import all your transactions by a file into CoinTracking. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. We answer every single question, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.